Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm sure you've come across images like these online and thought, how can I create something like that? Well, today I'll be showing you exactly how to make similar images using an incredible AI tool called Leonardo AI. Stick around to learn all the details. And before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to head over to leonardo.ai, click on Get Started, and set up an account if you haven't already. You have 4 options to sign up using Apple, Google, Microsoft, or a regular email address. Once your account is set up, go ahead and log in. At the top of the dashboard, you'll see various tools Leonardo AI offers. But today, we're focusing on the image creation tool. We'll explore the other tools in future videos, so stay tuned. You can access the image creation tool from either the top menu or the left-hand panel. Go ahead and select it. Now, here's how it works. First, you'll need to create a prompt for the image you want to generate. For example, let's type in Mad Max vehicles trending on ArtStation battle scene, cinematic realism, dark dusk moody, glowing lights, rich black night, going home moonlight. Once your prompt is ready, head over to the settings on the left side and fine-tune them to your liking. To get the best results, you'll want to choose a preset like Cinematic Kino or Lifelike Vision. For this demo, we're going with Lifelike Vision. When you're happy with your prompt and settings, click the Generate button to create your image. It'll take a few seconds to process, and then your image will appear. Just keep in mind, if you're on the free Leonardo plan, you have a daily limit of 150 tokens, and each generation reduces the number of tokens. You can check your token balance at the top of the page. Next up, I want to show you how to use the Leonardo Style Reference tool. This allows you to apply different styles to your images with ease. Here's how it works. Let's use the same prompt as before. After entering your prompt, adjust the settings on the left side as before. For this example, we'll stick with Lifelike Vision. Now, to add a style reference, click on the image icon and choose Style Reference. You can either select a previous image you've generated or upload a new one. I'll go ahead and choose this image as my style reference, and you'll see it pop up in the prompt bar. You can actually add up to 4 style references. If you want to tweak the strength of the style, click the small arrow next to the style reference image. You can choose between low, mid, high, ultra, or max strength. For now, I'll stick with high, but you can always adjust this later to get the exact look you want. Now, compare the result with an image created using the same prompt, but without the style reference. You'll notice how the colors and other visual elements from the style reference are applied to the new image. If you want to experiment, you can go back, change the style strength, and generate the image again. For instance, if we turn the style strength to max, you'll see the style applied more intensely. Here are a few tips for getting the most out of this tool. You can add up to 4 style reference images and adjust each one's influence to create more complex and layered designs. You can include style descriptions in your prompt to guide the overall look of the image. Use the Describe with AI feature to generate a new prompt based on an image you upload. Just remember, using this will overwrite your current prompt, so be careful if you have specific elements you want to keep. If unwanted elements show up in your image, refine the prompt and adjust the style transfer strength. Choose style references that are visually similar to the outcome you're aiming for to get the best results. That's it for today's tutorial. Now that you know how to use style references, I encourage you to experiment with the tool and see what kind of creative images you can come up with. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.